Unusual studies of a planet beyond our solar system have found a burning gas giant. NASA's $10 billion James Webb Satellite Telescope has made the first direct observations of an extrasolar planet. Infrared light is a more precise measure of a planet's mass and temperature and may show the movement of clouds. These are the first exoplanet photos using this light type. Professor Sasha Hinckley, an astronomer at the University of Exeter, co-led the observations. James Webb's work will allow us to observe a new class of planets, enabling us to analyze their components. The weather is noticeable. Since the home star is brighter, it's harder to directly image exoplanets. HIP 65426b is a gas giant 385 light-years distant in the Centaurus constellation with 5 to 10 times Jupiter's mass. Since it's 100 times further from its host star than Earth is from the Sun, it's easier to see. It's 10,000 times fainter than its host star, like a firefly next to a lighthouse from 50 miles away. Recent investigations show that the planet's atmosphere is 1,300 degrees Celsius, 2,370 degrees Fahrenheit, and may include red silicate clouds. Hinckley, it's a terrible place to live. If you could fly, you'd die. Using ground-based telescopes, astronomers have direct images of 20 exoplanets, including HIP 65426b. Limiting observations to visible wavelengths and fighting air noise was essential. Recent photographs acquired from orbit contain infrared, which makes up most of the planet's atmosphere's light. According to Dr. Beth Biller, an astronomer at the University of Edinburgh, the wavelength at which a planet emits the most intrinsic light is the optimal wavelength to observe it. New observations reveal Jupiter and Saturn's likely early appearance. Opening a novel window into the universe generally yields surprises, said Dr. Vivian Parmentier, an Oxford physics professor who wasn't involved in the latest discovery. Young planets expand and shrink over time, but this one shrinks faster than expected. This gives us fresh knowledge about planets and our solar system. Future James Webb observations may include habitable planets and those with Earth-like properties. We all know that one day our beautiful sun will stop shining, so here's a question: do you think that in the distant future, humans will be able to continue their existence on another exoplanet that is habitable? Please leave a comment below, and while you're there, like and subscribe to the channel.